As the market goes through its various cycles of hardening and softening, the classic metric that insurers leverage to try and help navigate these turbulent times is rate change. And there's abundance of different methodologies, from risk adjusted to kind of just basic exposure rate changes. But the interesting thing with these metrics is that they have one obvious and very hidden blind spot that's incredibly important. And that is changes in terms and conditions. Rate change metrics might capture things like increased limits, changes in exposure, reductions in premiums, but the actual policy wordings changing as the market fluctuates are almost just as important as these other metrics, and they are always going unmeasured, or at least they have done historically. The reason for that is, how do I check a multi-page document to see what changes have happened, and how do I quantify the impact of that? Historically, that was impossible, but with the advent of AI, policy wording comparison is something that's now incredibly possible, plausible, and adding value to carriers today. It effectively allows underwriters to see what has changed from last year to this year, and AI-driven insight can even give some view of an indication of what impact is that going to have to the profitability of the risk. What this allows is carriers to no longer just see half of the picture, the rate change side of things. They can also see how policy wording scope creep is also impacting their profitability and help them to better navigate through the softening market.